Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Janitor AI 504 Gateway Timeout. Error troubleshooting guide step by step clearly. First, confirm the error is really 504 by refreshing the page and checking the exact message shown. Open a private or incognito window and try Janitor AI again to rule out session and cookie issues. Clear your browser cache and cookies for Janitor AI. Then fully close and reopen the browser. Disable all browser extensions, especially ad blockers, script blockers, and privacy tools, and test again. Try a different browser like Chrome, Firefox, or Edge to see if the problem is browser-specific. Restart your device to clear temporary network and DNS states that can cause timeouts. Switch your internet connection by trying mobile data or another Wi-Fi network to isolate ISP issues. Turn off any VPN or proxy you are using, because it can trigger routing delays and gateway timeouts. If you need a VPN, switch to a closer server region with lower latency and try again. Run a speed test and confirm your connection is stable, because packet loss can cause 504 errors. Change your DNS to a reliable provider like Google DNS or Cloudflare DNS and retry the site. Flush your DNS cache on your device so it stops using an outdated or broken route. Check the Janitor AI status page or official socials to see if there is an ongoing outage. If there is an outage, wait 10 to 30 minutes and try again, because 504 is often server-side. Log out of Janitor AI. Then log back in to refresh your authentication and session tokens. Reduce load by closing extra tabs, downloads, and streaming that can slow requests and trigger timeouts. Try using the service during off-peak hours, because heavy traffic can overwhelm gateways. If you are using an API key or external integration, verify the key is valid and not rate-limited. Lower request frequency by sending fewer messages quickly, because rate limits can look like timeouts. If the chat is stuck, start a new conversation to avoid a corrupted session thread. If a specific character or model fails, switch to another model to test if one endpoint is down. Check your system date and time settings, because incorrect time can break secure connections. Temporarily disable firewall or antivirus web protection and test, then re-enable after checking. On mobile, force stop the app or clear the app cache, then reopen and sign in again. Update your browser or app to the latest version to fix compatibility and networking bugs. If you see the error only on one device, compare settings and network profiles between devices. Collect details like time of error, screenshots, and your region. Then contact Janitor AI support. Keep the message short and include what you already tried so support can escalate faster. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.